Hello. It is still Monday the 14th. I just decided to come up here after scrolling through YouTube. And I came across a video of this guy proposing to a woman after 10 years. And she said no. Now, before y'all get mad, let's understand the thought, the process, the concept, because these are my 5 reasonings of why did she stay for so long. He proposed after 10 years of shacking up. He didn't propose because he loved her. He didn't propose because they got kids. He proposed after 10 years of shacking up. Then it's the way he proposed. He didn't propose and make it romantic. He proposed in a car. He didn't get on one knee and say, "Will you marry me?" He said, "Here's the ring. Do you want the ring?" It's what he asked her. Now, I am a woman. I am speaking from my point of view and my point of view only. And any women or men in the comments, let me know your honest opinion. 1, why would you stay with someone for 10 years with no ring? Y'all are shacking up, living a married life, but he does not see your worth. Question mark. You must have self-esteem issues or something to stay with someone for 10 years. And I'm going to just say I believe he was cheating the 10 years. Number 3, he only proposed because he couldn't find something better. And I'm going to tell you why I say that. My husband met me at 18. My husband proposed to me on our 3rd date without a ring. Pay attention. The 3rd date, but no ring. My husband proposed to me after my daughter turned, the same day my daughter turned 2 months old, he proposed, my first child. And this is just in my 20s, okay? We was off and on, and these are all proposals through my 20s. We didn't get married until right before my 30th birthday, okay? And the reason that we didn't get married until before my 30th birthday is because in my 20s, I was learning and enjoying me. I was dating me. I was having fun. I was knowing what I will deal with, what are deal breakers. Then, I never lived with anyone. So that was another topic that once we got married, I had to cross. Because we wasn't shacking up. I wasn't giving no boyfriend, no wifey privileges. He got the privileges I gave him, but there wasn't going to be all the wifey privileges. I just don't believe in that. Okay. Then we have the no thought into the proposal. The nothing, just here, take a ring. Are you serious? Are you kidding me? And she said no. My question is, why did she stay so long? She stayed because she got comfortable. And these are my opinions. She stayed because she got comfortable. She stayed because she was holding on to something. She stayed because she was scared to go and search for something new. And when you get comfortable and used to things, you settle. I will tell you each and every day, do not settle. I will always tell you to push yourself to the limits. Be the version of you want in someone, because you attract what you are. She stayed. She held on. She waited. She held out. Got the ring and said no. So you mean it took you 10 years to find self-worth? Huh, sis? Because I need to know these things. I'm trying to understand what was to know about. Are you going to stay? Are y'all still just going to be shacking up? Well, it's 2022 now, so, I mean, it's hard to get apartments and everything is skyrocketing. But, baby, you had time to pack up, leave, and flee. Within the first 3 months, 3 to 6 months of dating a man, that man knows from the moment he meets you if he's going to marry you. Ask any man if you don't believe me. My husband was not the first person to propose to me. Let that sink in. So, when you say, because some people say, oh, get in the ring. No, get in the ring is easy when you know what you're looking for. Get in the ring is easy when you know what your standards are. When you know what deal breakers is and deal breakers ain't. I didn't wait to get married before I was 30 because I was worried about him. I did it because I wasn't ready. I knew dating him, he had 3 beautiful babies that I was not ready to play stepmama to. I knew that I'm still partying, having fun, doing me. Now, would I have waited 10 years? No, sirree, Bob. Would I have had all 6 of these kids with him waiting on a ring? No. Because the irony part of this is I didn't want to get married. He did. And then I thought about it. And I thought about it some more. And then he proposed with the ring. And we went to City Hall. That was that. That is it all. But the one thing that stayed consistent was him wanting to marry me. So y'all help me in the comments. Let me know what you think of why did it take him so long to propose after 10 years. And why did she say no? Because y'all understand what I said. Now I need to know what y'all feel. Let me know, YouTube. Later, love.